Hello, Gemini.
Hello, how can I help you today?
I want to make a website using Google Sites. Can you guide me through it?
Sure, I can guide you. Do you want to start with a blank site or use one of the templates shown on the screen?
I want to go with a blank site.
Okay, click on the blank site option with the plus sign and we can start from there.
What do I do next?
Now you'll see a blank page with the title, Your Page Title. What would you like to do next?
So that was me having a conversation with Google Gemini on how to create a website using Google Sites. Awesome, huh? Now AI is really changing how everything is done, and we might not need tutorials maybe in the near future if you ask me. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how I happen to experiment with Google AI Studios and how this can be or is definitely going to be a game changer for everyone. Imagine having AI or a bot actually taking you through how to do or how to learn a new software, how to build a website, or how to build a new skill. So in this video, I'm going to take you through a few minutes that I had on this Gemini or this Google AI Studio, and you can judge for yourself where this is going to take us in the next 2, 3, or 10 years. So without wasting time, let's dive into the video. So if you happen to go onto the Google AI Studio, just type aistudio.google.com and it will bring you here. So this is the dashboard that you see. What will you build? So as you already know, AI has been in the limelight for quite some few years now, and Gemini happens to be one of the powerful AIs around that you can use to do a whole lot of things, generate content for your social media, and a whole lot that you can do with it. So in this tutorial, I just wanted to show you just one aspect of this feature, which is that stream real time. So imagine if you want to build, you want the bot to actually speak with you, so you can actually show your screen to the bot and it will guide you as to what you want to do. So in this case, let's just say I want to build a website and I want to use Google Sites to build this website. So what I want to go ahead and do is that I want to share my screen. So I already have the Google Sites opened already. So if I want to share my screen, I just come to Chrome in here and click on the Google Sites page. So I just go ahead and share, and I can start having a conversation with Gemini. Hello, Gemini.
Hello, how can I help you today?
I want to make a website using Google Sites. Can you guide me through it?
Sure, I can guide you. Do you want to start with a blank site or use one of the templates shown on the screen?
I want to go with a blank site.
Okay, click on the blank site option with the plus sign and we can start from there.
Okay, so I've clicked on that. What do I do next?
Great. Now you'll see a blank page with the title, Your Page Title. What would you like to do next? You can start by clicking on the Your Page Title text box to edit it and give your page a name.
Okay, so I'll just call it Shoes Galore.
Okay, to create menus for your website, you'll need to add more pages. You can do this by going Okay, you've started typing shoe into the page title. Is that what you want?
Yeah, so I want to name it Shoes Galore. I'm going to sell shoes with this website. How do I create a menu?
Great, so the title is Shoes Galore. Now that you've named your page, what do you want to add to it?
I want to add some menus to it.
Okay, to add menus to your website, you'll need to add more pages. Would you like me to show you how to do that?
Yes.
Okay, in the top right corner of the screen, there is a Pages tab. Click on that. Then, you should see a button with a plus sign at the bottom of the Pages panel. Click that plus button and you can add a new page.
Okay, so I'll name this About Us. Should I click Done?
Yes, go ahead and click Done to add the About Us page.
Okay, and then I want to add Contact Us page.
Okay, you can now type Contact Us in the name field for the new page.
Okay, so I think these menus are okay. Now I want to add an image an image just beneath the header at the home section.
All right, you want to add an image below the Shoes Galore header on the homepage.
Exactly.
To do that, click on the Insert tab on the right side of your screen.
Okay, I've clicked on that.
Great. Now you can select a content block with an image placeholder. You can choose one of the options provided below content blocks on the right panel.
Okay, how do I add an image to the header?
Okay, to add an image to the header, you'll need to click on the image drop-down button to the left of the header type button, and then choose an image to upload.
Okay, so, all right. I want to upload this image here. Okay, but I want the image to be a little bigger. How do I do that?
To make the header image bigger, click on the header type button and then select the large banner option.
Awesome, that is what I want. Okay, so now how do I add other sections to the homepage?
Great. To add sections to the homepage, you can use the content blocks options in the right side panel, just below Drive. Choose a layout that you like and then click it to add it to your page.
All right. So I want to add a bit more images. I see there's a plus sign. Should I click on it to add an image?
Yes, you should click the plus sign inside the image placeholders to add an image to that content block.
Okay. So I'm adding the image now.
Great. Are there any other things you need help with for your website?
So let me just add the image quickly to it, and then you can show me how to add the footer section as well. Just give me a minute.
Okay, take your time and let me know when you are ready.
Okay, so I've added the images here. Let me just put in the shoe name here. Hi Google, can you see my screen again?
Yes, I can see your screen again. It looks like you are editing a Google site. Is that correct?
Exactly. How do I add a footer to this?
Okay, I see the untitled site text in the upper left corner. What would you like to do with it?
I want to add a footer. How do I add a footer to this?
I can help with that. In the bottom left corner, there is an Add Footer button. Do you see it?
Yes, I see it here.
Great. You can click on the Add Footer button to add a footer to your site. Do you want me to walk you through the process after that?
Yes.
Yes, go ahead and click on it. Once you do, a text box will appear where you can add text for your footer.
Okay, so once I'm done with this, how do I...
Okay, now you can type in the text you want for your footer. You can also format the text using the toolbar above the text box.
Okay, so after I'm done with everything, how do I go about publishing the whole website?
Sure, to publish your website, you need to click the Publish button in the upper right corner of the page. It's a blue button.
Okay, I've clicked on that. What next?
All right, now you need to choose a web address for your site. After that, you can choose who can view the site. Okay, you can either use the default web address or use a custom domain. Then click the Publish button at the bottom of the window to publish your website.
Okay, so can you take me through, can you explain where it says custom domain?
The custom domain option allows you to use a domain name that you own instead of the default Google site's URL. This can make your site easier to find and remember. Would you like me to explain more?
Yes, please explain more.
Okay. So when you use a custom domain, you are essentially telling the internet that your website can be found at your chosen address, like www.yourwebsite.com, instead of the long Google Sites address. This can give your website a more professional and branded look.
So there you have it. This is a little experimentation I did with the new Google AI Studios. And I have to tell you that this platform is still in its developmental stages. It's still being experimented with. And I kind of found it breaking every now and then, but I had to go in there and then restart it again. I'm sure you can also experiment with this platform and let me know your experience in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful, kindly like the video and also subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thank you for joining me and I hope to see you in the next video.